friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, I always provide you new website so you can get a lot of profit. लेकिन इसमें ज़्यादा इन्वेस्ट ना करना, नहीं तो किसी भी किस्म के लॉस की जिम्मेदार मैं नहीं होंगी. First of all, you have to put your email here, your password here. You enter your password, invitation code. You will get it by my description box and sign it up. You can also log in if you already have an account. So I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in. And you can see that I'll put my Gmail here and click on sign in button. And my dear friend, you can also save the password. There's some announcement about the company. The use period of each level is 180 days, and new tasks are automatically refreshed every day. And so much information, you can read it out, and you can see the certificate about the company and click on I know button. Moving on, my dear friend, there's a homepage. On the homepage, they're providing you so many details. So now we go to the me area. First of all, I will tell you how can you upgrade your VIP level. For that you have to recharge, and for that you have to click on recharge button. Once you click here, my dear friend, here you can see that you can select whether you want to deposit from TRC20, TRX, BEP, BNB and whatever. So we will go select TRC20, and here you can see that they are providing you QR code. You can scan it, the address you can copy it, and copy the address. And after copying the address, you have to go to the trust wallet, complete payment. After completing the payment, you have to come back and click on recharge complete button. Once you click here, your recharge will be completed within a few minutes. Okay, my dear friends, so now we go back to the home page, and moving on, we go back to the home page. So my dear friend, here you can see that we will reload the page and we will refresh it, and here you can see that so now our VIP1 is successfully unlocked. Here you can see that VIP1 is successfully unlocked, and we will complete our VIP task, and we will go to the task hall. And here you can see that there are two tasks we have to complete. Click on to be complete button. By clicking on to be complete button, it will be start battery charging. Here you can see that completed successfully. There is another task we have to complete it. Click on to be complete button, and it will be completed successfully. You can see that in the completed, you can see the task are completed. Now we go to the home page, and my dear friend, now we go to the home page. I will tell you how can you withdraw your amount. You just have to go to the withdraw page, and you can see the withdraw page is here. So go here and click here, and put the amount here you want to withdraw, and your withdrawal address. Make sure the address you put is correct, and your password, and click on confirm button. And my dear friend, you can see withdrawal successfully done. So I will show you the withdraw proof as soon as I receive that. Until then, I will tell you every single detail about the website. So you can see there is a daily sign-in reward. You can click on sign in now, and you will get a reward on the basis of that. And moving on, there is a turntable. There's a notification box. Withdraw successfully done, and there's a telecom customer service. They are providing you 24/7. They are available. There's a notification language changer. You can select your native language from here if you want to. There's a company profile about the battery charging was established in April 2018. It focuses on the rental business of shared power bank. It does not sell product but sell the entire platform according to the rule and regulation of different countries. Regulation tailor made. Okay, so there is a platform introduction. You can see that in the YouTube video they're providing you. There's also they are providing you membership list. You can see that people are getting profit. You can also get profit. Now we go to the team area, my dear friend. You can see that in the team area, you can see they are providing you every single detail, my dear friend. You can see that the withdraw proof is here. $1.6 is successfully received. Now you can see that's the withdraw proof, my dear friend. So now we go back to the homepage again. There's a team area. In the team area, they're providing you your invitation code and link. All you have to do is copy and wait for it. You will get 3 level. You paid 9%, 3%, and 2%. Okay, my dear friend, now we go to the me area. In the me area, they're providing you so much information like your Gmail, your ID, your beach level, and your recharge, withdraw, account, financial record, change password. You can also download app. You can also sign it out from here. So my dear friend, first of all, we'll go to the financial record where you can see the basic account detail and the withdrawal account detail. My dear friend, you can see that. And my dear friend, you can see you can also change your password from here if you want to. And you can also download the app if you want to download it. And my dear friend, you can also sign it out from here. So I have cleared every single detail about the website. But if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Please like my video, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.